We have visitors. We got visitors. Yes, we do. And it's 6:30 on a Wednesday, and look, it's still raining. The poor deck is all wet again, but I bought special containers to put the dry food in. Hi guys. Oh no, be nice. All right. How many we got? We only got 3. There'll be more later on. You ready? Here you go. I'll put the big light on. Light her up a little more. You ready? Here. There you go. You want one? You come get. Come get. And my, I had this all washed off. Look, it's all dirty again. Yeah, I took some bucket of water out and I cleaned it all off, and see, their paws are all full of mud, eh? There you go. I gotta go to supper yet at the Thistle. Yep, I haven't had my supper yet. Oh, he's gone up to the roost. Okay. Here. There you go. That wasn't hard, was it? Huh? You ready for yours? Come get yours. Come get it. Oh! It's chilly out. It's 40 degrees. Do you want a delivery? Oh, you're coming down? Okay. There's yours. Do you want special delivery? There you go. You going back up in the roost? Okay. I'll deliver it for you if you want. We'll deliver. Yeah, we just got the 3 of them. Where'd the other fella go? Oh, he's way down the other set of stairs. Yeah, it's not nice out, is it, fellas? Now, a lot of the raccoons, like, there's a lot that have already gone to hibernate. And these fellas are just, they just have to be topped up. Like Woody and them, Buddy and all them, they're all gone to sleep. Here. Well, we're up to 4 now. Here. There you go. You ready for yours? Here. Hey, what are you doing down there? What? What are you doing? You know who this is? That's Scooter. It's my Scooter boy. Yes, it is. It's my Scooter. Yep. You ready for another one? Okay, here. Come get it. You ready for yours? Oh, here. Oh, he's going to come back down again. I'll deliver it to you. I'll deliver it to you. Here. So we're up to 5 now. You doing, Scooter? What you doing, baby doll? Here. There you go. You go in the corner. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. He's a good Scooter. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You just let him smell your hand, and he knows who you are. Yeah, he's a good boy. Yeah. We're supposed to get snow tomorrow. You guys ready? He's coming down again. Look. Here you go. You going up in your roost? Okay. Nothing wrong. They can climb. Here you go. Here. That's the Westful boys. They're getting big. Yeah, they're getting big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're up to 6 now. We're up to 6 raccoonies. Yes, we are. 6 raccoons. Yes. So anyway, I'm going to the Thistle. I got some water bottles to drop off, and a toy for the cook's son, 5 years old. So That's my boy. You coming down here? I'll deliver to you. Here you go. Huh? See? There he is. No problem. No problem. Oh man, it's cold. And I know one thing I got to do. I got to fix my furnace. I got plugs I got to put on so that I can run my furnace off my generator. And we got a lot of flooding here in Nova Scotia. Not as bad as BC, but we're going to have rain all week until I think Saturday is a break. This is only Wednesday. And it's been raining since come on. That's the Westville boys. There you go. Here. Scooter. Yeah, I'll bring it here. Here. I'll bring it over. Here. You don't need to climb down every time. I'll give it to you. Hey, Scooter. He's a good boy. Smell my hand. There, see? He knows who I am. Yeah. Yeah. He's okay. He's a good boy. His fur's all wet, though. Alright, you ready? 1, 2. And I got... Oh, here's more coming. And guess what? I got one left. Come on. Okay, I gotta go cut more. I'm not cutting them, I'm just giving them whole. Yeah. Oh, it feels nice in here. Ooh, it feels nice. Yeah, it does. So anyway, these are the pans I bought today. I'm gonna put 2 out with the dry food in it. So that way they don't have to... What happened to that now? How did that bucket stuck together? Connor, you get down. I just fed you. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I bought 20 pounds of hot dogs today. They're on sale at Sobeys. Get out of the corner. Get. They're on sale today, so $1.97. Chicken dogs. And not many people buy chicken dogs, but I think Sobeys is putting more on because I'm buying so much. I think that's why. They think people are eating them. They're not. I wouldn't eat one. They stink and they make your hands yucky. There we go. I want to get these fellas fed so I can go get myself fed. There. That's 3 more packages, so that's 6 so far. They're all up there waiting. You know that, Connor? They're waiting. Yep. Alright. What? What? Connor cat. So I want to fill them 2 up with dry food after we do the hot dogs. Look at them all out there waiting. There they are. There he is. Look at this getting up on the bench, see? That's why my bench is so dirty. See? How do you keep it clean? You can't. Yeah, I should just leave it out there. I should just leave it out there into the rain. The rain will wash it. Yeah, that's what I should do. Alright, here we go. You ready? Okay, I'm coming. Oh my God, look at the crowd. Look at the crowd. Yes. Everybody heard that the diner was open. They did so. They did so. Yeah. Everybody line up. Here's yours. Here's yours. Come on. Come on, Woody, here. Woody's back. He won't eat up here. He goes down on the lawn. And there's Scooter. Everybody's hungry. Yes, I know it's not going to be long. No, it ain't going to be long, is it? No, here. There you go. You ready? You go. Oh, just a second. I got a delivery to make. We have to do a delivery. Boy, they're spoiled. They're spoiled. Here. Go get in your corner. There you go. The wind is still up. Oh my God, there's more coming. There's more coming. I knew those 20 pounds, they won't last long. Alright, just a minute, I'm coming. Here. Ready? There you go. Oh, here he is. Just the fellow I saw getting across the lane here. Here. There you go. You ready? Are you ready? Thank you, he says. Thank you. Thank you. Scooter, here you go, bud. Come on, Woody. Come on. That's the west fellow. Woody was standing up there. Where'd you go, Woody? Ready for another one? There you go. Oh, sorry. Yeah, another delivery. Oh, some of them are spoiled. You are. You're spoiled. Yes, you are. I haven't got around to cleaning up the igloo yet. I'm going to carpet it. I think I'm going to leave it downstairs and see if the cats will go in it. There you go. Well, there's Woody there. Woody come up that side. He doesn't like crowds. You don't like crowds, do you? No. So we got 2 pans of dry food we'll put out. But I can't get over that the deck is wet right to the house. Yeah. Oh, another delivery. Okay. You ready? Here you go. Oh, we got another one coming up there. You coming up? Here. Come here. You gonna have it? Here. There you go. Here's yours. Here, Woody. Here. Come on. I'll throw them out. Guess what, people? I'm empty again. I'm empty again. Yep. And my hands are frozen. You get. I'll put this here. I'll get 3 more pounds, I guess. 1, 2. That makes 9 pounds of hot dogs. 9 pounds. Now, and they're not cut, we're giving them whole. And the trigger's going to be frostbitten. That's what's going to happen. You can hardly feel the fingertip right now. And no, I can't wear gloves because the gloves get all full of this stuff and you ruin them. That's why I don't have gloves on. I just bear it. Bear the cold. There. That's 3 more. That's 9 packages. Right, Connor? Yep. What if I put rubber gloves on? These rubber gloves, they might help. This gloves, if we can get them on, that might help alleviate. There. I just need yeah, that feels better. Look at them all lined up here again, look. What do you want? What is it? What? You ready? Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming. Here I am. You ready? Look what I got. Oh yeah, my floors are... I gotta get the mop and clean my floor while I was walking across it. Yeah, it's not very good. No. Here. Oh yeah, this is a lot better than those gloves on. There you go. Woody, you're back again, are you? Here, stand up for me. You got it. Here you go. There you go. Things are dying down a little bit now. Yeah, I'm going to have to get my mop out and do that floor. All the mess I made. How's everybody doing? Huh? How y'all doing? Yeah, when these guys vacate, I'm going to put that bench out under the... I'm going to put that right out there and let the rain wash it down. Here. Here's my buddy. There's the little boy. Yes, he is. Scooter. Look at the size of him. You want another one? You go, bud. There, you're just going to sit there in the corner, are you? You want another one? Here. Oh, he's going to wash it. No, he's not going to... Oh, it's going to be a takeaway. All right. He's having a takeaway. Woody's over on this side now, and he's having a takeaway. Yeah, there's Scooter's there. I think what I'll do, I'm just going to dump the rest of these, and they can eat them as they wish. There. You guys can help yourself. Can you do that? Sure. I'll put some dry food out. Yep. I'll turn the big light off here and leave the other one on for them. There. Oh, that wind is raw. Hi, Connor. What do you think, bud? Huh? That wind is raw. Yes, I'll have to fire up the car and let it run for a little bit before I get in it. And today's the day you turn on your the heated steering wheel and the heated seats. Right, Connor? Isn't that right? Huh? Yep. All right, people. We'll post this, and we shall see you tomorrow. And thank you very much for watching and supporting my channel. I sure appreciate it.